Anna had always been superstitious, but her lucky green and yellow striped jacket took it to a whole new level. She wore it every day, even for the most mundane tasks like grocery shopping or running errands. And why not? It had never failed her before. The jacket had been with Anna since she was a teenager, and over the years she had worn it through countless exams, job interviews, and first dates. It was her good luck charm, her security blanket, her everything. But one day, disaster struck. Anna's jacket went missing. Oh! She searched high and low, but it was nowhere to be found. She retraced her steps, checked with her neighbors, even hired a private investigator, but the jacket remained lost. Anna was devastated. Without her lucky jacket, she felt naked and vulnerable. She tried wearing other clothes, but they just didn't feel the same. She even wore a new clean jacket to an important meeting at work, but it yielded no results. Nothing seemed to go right without her trusty green and yellow striped jacket by her side. Days turned into weeks, and Anna was starting to lose hope. She had almost given up when she received a mysterious package in the mail. It was addressed to her, with no return address or postmark. Inside, there was her beloved jacket, perfectly preserved, just like she left it. But this time, it was clean and fresh from a dry cleaner's. Anna was baffled, but also thrilled. How did the jacket end up back in her possession? She never found out, but she didn't care. Her lucky jacket was back, and with it, her confidence and good fortune. From then on, Anna made sure to keep the jacket clean and well maintained, knowing that its magic would only work if it was properly cared for. What is Anna's lucky charm? Anna's lucky charm is her green and yellow striped jacket. She wears it every day, even for mundane tasks, because she believes it brings her good luck. What happened to Anna's jacket? Anna's jacket went missing after she took it off one day and couldn't find it anywhere. She searched high and low but couldn't locate it. How did Anna feel without her lucky jacket? Without her trusty jacket, Anna felt naked and vulnerable. She tried wearing other clothes, but they just didn't feel the same. What happened when Anna wore a new jacket to an important meeting at work? Despite wearing a new clean jacket to an important meeting at work, nothing seemed to go right for Anna. She realized that her good luck only came when she wore her trusty green and yellow striped jacket. What did Anna receive in the mail? Anna received a mysterious package in the mail with her beloved jacket inside, perfectly preserved and clean from a dry cleaner's. She was baffled but thrilled to have her lucky jacket back in her possession.